Hey guys, long time no talk. I'm just here in bed playing with Munchkin Doodles. Everything's been going fine. I just been super tired and busy.
Hannah.
Yeah, I've been busy with this little one, and I've been super tired. Yeah. So I just been chilling at home. I went to go see my other kids this weekend. It's been great. I just been super tired and stuff. So I just been playing with my baby girl. I'm trying to put her down for a nap, but she's not going for a nap. So I decided to play with her. Ew! So whenever she doesn't go down for a nap, we just play in the bed while I take a rest because I'm ready to go down for a nap. She's not. I am. So I just been relaxing with her. Oh! Putti! So we've been chill. So we just been chilling at home. Hubby's at work right now. There have been multiple earthquakes today, which I'm kind of nervous, which is why I want to keep my baby close. My other daughter is in her room. So no spitting, no spitting, no spitting, no spitting. Is that a moko I see? Ew! So we're just playing. She thinks it's funny when I pick her nose and stuff, but yeah, I see you spit all over yourself. No, I don't want to pick your nose no more. That's footsie. Footsie. Ew. I can't help it. Her laugh is so cute. I can't help it. Your laugh is so cute. No. I can't with her. But I've been getting acne all in places that I usually don't get acne. So I'm kind of frustrated with that. This I'm usually don't get on my chin. Sometimes I do, but not really. So, and it's that acne that won't go away. So, but hey, we're taking it one day at a time. So, just want to come on here and say hi and see how you guys are doing. And I know it's been a while, but stay tuned.